Go high level versus perspective. So let's compare Go high level and perspective, the two of the major players in the marketing automation and funnel creation. Now first, let's go to the basics. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing suite built for agencies. It combines funnels, SMS, email automation, pipelines, and appointment scheduling. Perspective, on the other hand, focuses on mobile-first funnels. It has a slick, vertical designs which are optimized for conversions on smartphones. And now, let's go to their usability. Go High Level gives you advanced tools but a learning curve. It feels like a professional dashboard with deep control over automation, triggers, and lead workflows. While Perspective's interface is much simpler, you just drag and drop elements into pre-built templates. It's faster to start but less customizable for complex automation. And now, let's go for their pricing. Go High Level starts around $97 per month for the basic plan, while Perspective's pricing starts lower but it scales quickly if you need multiple funnels or advanced analytics. Perspective can feel expensive per funnel if you are running multiple campaigns, but if you just need one campaign, it's more less costly than Go High Level. And now let's go to the integrations. GoHighLevel connects to thousands of apps through Zapier, and it includes built-in CRM and messaging, while Perspective integrates easily with Facebook ads and Metapixel, making it ideal for mobile ad campaigns. Performance and results. GoHighLevel is preferred for full funnel control and agency clients, while Perspective shines for fast, beautiful mobile funnels that loads instantly. So here's an important note. Perspective is not meant to replace a CRM. It's a lead capture and design tool. While Go High Level, meanwhile, can run your entire business, but the interface can overwhelm beginners. So, for final verdict, if you are an agency or business owner who needs automation, client management, and follow ups, you can go for Go High Level. But if you are focused on running sleek, mobile first ad campaigns and you want a clean, visual funnel builder, Perspective might be the best choice for you. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.